name is Pradeep Sharma. I'm the president of Action Construction Equipment Limited. We have the widest range of products spanning across earth moving, material handling, road construction, cranes, tower cranes for the high rises, and forklifts, agribusiness. We see our vision to ensure that we are able to grow in the segments where we are not present in the same way as we are present in the cranes. Like cranes, we would be upwards of 60-65%. And earth moving and construction, if I talk about especially road construction, we may not be having such massive presence. And I think this would really gear ourselves up for further growth, not to miss the agri-business. We do tractors also, harvesters as well. And I think that's where again we see good growth coming. Thank you.